What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
What do you do?
I teach English online.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I'm a huge soccer fan.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What's your favorite season?
Summertime is nice to me.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do like to cook.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do like to read novels.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Toy Story.